I'm going to change lanes because I can see a flashing arrow. I got a lot of traffic behind me. I don't think this is 1 mile, is it? I can see him working with the crane to the right, just beyond the sign, hidden by the smaller tree here. They were working, see all the orange stuff up there? They were doing new poles just up by the, past this so-called gas station the other day. I want to go. Okay, we got to stop. I don't run them. I don't run them. Well, we got a sign. Merge left, right lane, busy, merge left. Now, they've been doing the refurbishing overhead and high power electrical work recently in Ramseur, replacing poles among other things, like down on the side country roads that I've shown you before in this area. Now I haven't merged left yet but I can see the blinking light and I can see the big cranes from here. And that's without binoculars. Right lane closed ahead, and then there's the actual sign that says change lanes. Now I'm going to get through the intersection there, and then I'm going to change the lane and cut my speed. Right lane closed. We want to slow down anyway, going through US 64 on the outskirts of Ramseur. And they got this, oh, there's stuff, there's you can't see it, but there's poles lying on the ground, and there were also cross arms lying on the ground. That may be where they're storing them temporarily, because you can't put them right here, and then they take the one they need for the day or half a day work. Here's the big cranes and the orange stuff on the high tension wires. Wouldn't you like to be doing that up there like that? Do you see the guy down there assembling something on the ground? Oh no, that was either he was assembling it or that was cut off and he's salvaging it. Okay. So they've come a little further along here, and they're doing these in succession. Steve A. before y'all, and for his appointment, saying see you in 73.